You would use fund maintenance to add any new funds. So this could be a GPF fund or a restricted and designated fund underneath the GPF. So for example, we've got here the first 5 are your GPF funds, and then underneath that are all the restricted and designated funds, sub-funds that belong to each of the parent funds. So if I was to add a new one in, so let's say I wanted to add a number 6 in, so I'll click on add. Give it a name. And choose the type. So if it's a GPF fund, then that would be designated. And retain surplus code. This is always going to be your accumulated GPF account code. And because this is a parent fund, the sub-fund flag is going to be a no. If it has its own charity number, you can enter that here. So just click on record. So if I want to enter now sub-funds that belong to this fund, click on add and give it a code. So generally give it the first couple of characters of the fund name. And choose your fund type. Same retain surplus code. And this time the sub-fund flag is going to be a yes. And now I need to tell it the parent fund it belongs to. So that's going to be the new one I've just entered. And then just click on record. So this is now assigned to that parent fund. So within fund maintenance, you can use the arrows at the top here to move through your funds, or just click on the drop down to select the relevant one. And you might want to change the description or the fund name. If you want to change the code itself, click on update and you'll need to click on the change code button.